You've probably heard the buzz around NFTs, but what exactly are they? And why are they such a hot topic in the crypto space? We've all seen the headlines, and maybe even scratched our heads at million-dollar monkey gifs. But fear not, intrepid explorers, because we're about to unpack this phenomenon like a digital Indiana Jones. So, what exactly are NFTs? Imagine this: a digital certificate of ownership, forged in the fires of blockchain technology, guaranteeing you possess the one and only version of a unique treasure. That, my friends, is the essence of an NFT. It could be a piece of mind-bending art, a head-banging track, a game-changing in-game item, or even a tweet that shook the internet. Unlike your regular digital file, which can be copied and spread like wildfire, NFTs are unique, irreplaceable, and commanding their own spotlight. They're stored on a digital ledger called a blockchain, a fortress of transparency where ownership is permanently etched in code. But why all the fuss? Why own a digital asset when you can just screenshot it? Ah, that's where the magic kicks in. Scarcity, my friends, is the name of the game. Remember those limited edition sneakers or vintage comic books? NFTs offer the same thrill of owning something rare and coveted, except in the digital realm. This scarcity fuels value, turning pixelated creations into potential gold mines. And for creators, it's a game changer. No more middlemen, no more crumbs from the artistic pie. NFTs empower them to sell directly to their fans, building communities, and reaping the rewards of their talent. Collectors, meanwhile, get to own a piece of their favorite artist's legacy, a digital trophy held tight in their virtual vault. The NFT boom, from Beeple to Bored Apes. Remember 2021? It wasn't just about Dogecoin mania and Elon Musk tweets. The NFT market exploded like a supernova, with billions pouring into these digital assets. Beeple's Everydays, the first 5,000 days, smashed records, becoming the most expensive digital artwork ever sold. CryptoPunks, pixelated avatars with pixelated attitude, went from obscure experiments to status symbols, fetching unimaginable sums. And who could forget the Bored Ape Yacht Club? Those dopey simians weren't just JPEGs. They were keys to an exclusive club, a digital oasis for the crypto elite. But wait, isn't it all just a bubble waiting to burst? Of course, skepticism is healthy. The NFT market is young, volatile, and rife with speculation. There have been scams, flops, and enough rug pulls to fill a virtual museum. But amidst the hype, there's undeniable potential. Imagine a future where concert tickets are NFTs, granting exclusive backstage access and VIP perks. Or think of owning your in-game avatar, its unique traits and gear permanently yours, transferable across different platforms. The possibilities are as limitless as the human imagination. Clearing the jargon, gas fees, minting, and more. Now, before you jump into this digital gold rush, let's clear some air. Buying and selling NFTs involves navigating a maze of terms like gas fees. Think blockchain transaction tolls. Minting, the process of creating an NFT. And wallets, your digital piggy bank for these precious tokens. It can be daunting, but hey, that's what we're here for. Do your research, understand the risks, and remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. The NFT phenomenon isn't just about buying expensive monkey pictures. It's about redefining ownership in the digital age, empowering creators, and forging new communities. It's about blurring the lines between the physical and virtual, paving the way for a future where digital assets hold real value and meaning. So, are you ready to join the NFT revolution? Don't just watch from the sidelines. Dive in, explore, and see what this brave new world has to offer. Just remember, keep your skepticism sharp, your research game strong, and your sense of adventure even stronger. Let's keep the conversation flowing. What are your thoughts on NFTs? Are you a believer or a skeptic? Share your insights, questions, and wildest NFT dreams in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto deep dives.